What's going on, YouTube? So you click the link and you're wondering what this is. What is this mod that you must have? It is the mod that you never knew you needed, but you need to have. This is a dead pedal. If I actually held it in the correct orientation, it actually looks right. So this is a dead pedal. So why did the Jeeps not come with it? Let's take a look. So here we got my charger, and the charger actually has a dead pedal right there. It's because normally in cars the floor actually tapers up right there, so it's kind of something that's easy to build into it. But when we have the Jeep, notice that the floor doesn't taper up as much. It just kind of goes out there and it's flat. So they don't put a dead pedal in there. So now this option is only an option on the driver's side for automatic transmissions. If you had a manual transmission, you'll have the clutch and that dead pedal doesn't work. They also sell this dead pedal for the passenger side as well. That way your passengers can be comfortable when riding around in long road trips. So I know it sounds really silly and everything like that, but it is super nice to have when you're on a long road trip. Let's get to installing this. It's real easy, 4 bolts, less than 30 minutes. So to install this, all you're gonna need is a 10mm wrench or a socket. What we're gonna do is we're going to remove these 2 bolts right here, which is for your door anchor, and then there's this bolt here, and then another one right here, and these are actually just grounding points for the Jeep. So let's get these off. Okay, easy enough, right? So now we just need to install the dead pedal. The dead pedal actually has several holes, so you can actually put it in and find the right adjustment, the right position for you. So it does have a little bit of adjustability. So for me, thinking right about there is gonna be pretty comfortable. So let's get this screwed in. And if you put it in this position, you decide that that's not where it's comfortable for you, just take the bolts off or the nuts off and move it forward or back. And it's completely up to you if you want to remove this strap, which is what keeps your door from swinging out. You can remove this and unplug the power connection for the windows and whatnot, the locks and windows. But I don't feel that's necessary here. So I've started all that, and let's just get this screwed in. So with filming, that took me all of 10, maybe 15 minutes. So if you know how to turn a wrench, it takes no time at all. I know I said about 30-minute install at the very beginning, but that's if you're just using a socket wrench. If you got power tools, use those. It'll save a lot of time. But thanks for tuning in for such a short video. But seriously, this dead pedal doesn't really matter which brand you buy. It ranges anywhere from $20 to $50. It's definitely worth it. It's one of those things to where you don't really notice it until you have it, and when you have it, it's a nice place to rest your foot. So definitely worth looking at getting one of these for your Jeep. Anyways, thanks for tuning in, guys. Like, subscribe to the video, comment down below, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks.